fact that we mentioned that he was a public figure and that he should get a more severe sentence than the normal man on the street. And so far as sentencing was concerned, the court is well aware that courts are obliged to take into account the aim of sentencing, which is retribution, rehabilitation, prevention, and deterrence. The court must consider the personal circumstances of an accused, the seriousness of the offense, and the interest of society. I'm not going to go through my acts page by page, but we have referred to State versus Banda and others. I'm pausing with page 2. Yes, it's the first one. Yes, the accused's personal circumstances was well articulated by the probation officer, Ms. Thompson. I will deal with the flaws of her evidence when I refer to my supplementary acts of argument.